All right, welcome to the live trading session for today, Friday, August 7th, NFP Friday. As you can see, we had that fat ass NFP candle. It was this one. And then we went up. Check this out on 15-minute here. Essentially, we had relative equal lows here, which we took out. Relative equal lows we took out here. We accumulated aggressively yesterday overnight, right? And we do have really clean sell side. So the shorts do really look really good. And we also have that 4-hour resistance, obviously, right? But we also have 4-hour support. That's for sure, right? So I don't know. It's a bit conflicting, but I think the more that I look at it, like in a prep session, I said, okay, longs are preferable, but the shorts look really good. The shorts do look really good. And in 1 minute, the market is about to open. These clean lows look really clean. I might already look for shorts into that one. And if we get really heavy, I might want to look for shorts into the CE of this and the relative equal lows here. I'm not sure if we're actually going to go higher for the 4-hour trend liquidity, right? Obviously, the draw is clean and strong and everything, but also the ES is also in a great position to sell off here. Yeah, so I will definitely prefer the shorts for now, but let's see. It would be optimal to see a Judas in, let's say, this one here, this buy side here. That would be nice to see, to be taken out by a Judas, because we will close here in the lower half of the 15-minute. We inverted the 5-minute here, right? So if we tap back into that, and there's a new 5-minute now. Let's mark that up here. Let's get rid of this one. That would be nice to see, right? Here we have that NFP 1 minute. And opening range gap is strong bullish, right? So the sell side is definitely limited to, this would be the CE. But this is directly below that, so I would be fine with taking shorts into this one, but further is not the optimum for me personally. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see if the Judas can take out this and mitigate into the 5-minute and then go lower. Then I would definitely look for shorts into the CE and the 90-minute low here. Maybe something like this below here. We'll see. TPPL, SLPL, risk, USD 344, bro. Okay, now we got it. All right. Save drawing. Special. All right. All right, we took out the buy side. That's good. I like that. You know, this might also just be the mitigation into the 15-minute here or 5-minute, and then we're just gonna go aggressively higher. That might be the case. You know, we'll see. But at the moment, I'm preferring to see shorts here into these levels down here. $700. Let's also mark 75.50, 86, 86, 25. Let's mark up this 5-minute gap here. It seems really strong right now. Now, would not short. I will not be aggressive here with any shorts either. Because if we invert the first AM here, we're still inside that 15-minute BISI and the 5-minute BISI, right? So I would not be aggressive here. I would definitely need to see price come down here and then maybe look for a 1-to-1. And if I look for longs, I definitely need to see some great power all the way up here and then maybe 10 AM close above the 4 RCBs, and then I would look for longs later on. But I will definitely not be aggressive here in any type of way. I'll see what the market gives me. Let's see, that one is the 50. Red, small one. ES, for example, has closed below the 5-minute and 15-minute support and is now retapping into the 15-minute SIBI it has created. So that one's a lot more bearish here. And it also has the clean lows, the clean sell side liquidity. So we'll see. Okay, so we have inverted this one. Get rid of that. Okay, we're going lower. Let's see if we can invert that. But again, I would not short the inversion just yet. Stop loss would currently be the CE of this one. Damn, it's getting heavy. Okay, that's crazy. So already set up this one here. So it'll be 700. 4. Okay, we close below. That's nice. Let's see if we'll get heavy here now. This is definitely FOMO inducing, but we cannot get ourselves lured into the market here, right? Because we still have that 5-minute and 15-minute BISI supporting us. So we definitely have to be a bit more patient. 1.5 minutes till 5-minute close. If we close below here on the 5-minute basis, I would definitely enter. That would be a nice close. We'll see. But at the moment, it's not interesting at all. Neither for longs nor for shorts. Alright, 10 seconds till 5-minute close. And we still respect this BISI here. So now it's up for the next 5 minutes, but let's see if we get heavy. Stop would currently be right above here. Again, ES is really bearish right now, but the NQ still has that 5-minute support, so we have to be patient. But these are definitely really clean draws. Okay, 2 more minutes till the next 5-minute closes. Again, would be nice to see the 5-minute inversion confirmed on the 5-minute, you know. That would be optimal. It would be something like this. And I don't need more than a 1-to-1 today. Oh, yeah, 1-to-1. Maybe the 10 a.m. macro will bring something interesting, which will start in 6 minutes. There we go. And do we close above? Yes, we do. So this would be a losing trade right here. If I had entered with the first AM inversion, I would have now exited the trade with the close above again, right? So very good decision to not short here. Okay, ES took out or mitigated the 15-minute now CE. That's nice to see. It's good. And that's the 5-minute close here. Let's close that for now. All right, so 5-minute again, respected. So it's essentially playing in between these two gaps right now, right? And we're still backed by the 50-minute support as well, right? So at the moment we're probably favoring the buy side. Maybe we'll take out the 90-minute high here and then come back down. Might also be the case. We'll see, but I'm still preferring shorts, but I need to see it get really heavy, right? Push below the 5-minute and then preferably also close below the 5-minute. That would be optimal. But it disrespecting the first AM like this is definitely not a good sign, right? That's a sign of manipulation right here. So we have to definitely be patient. Stop currently would be up here. Okay, looks like we're getting heavy here again. This one's gonna be 700. This one's gonna be 100. Market. Okay, first ES also formed a busy in terms of first AM. If we invert that to the downside, which might be the case here, it would again be bearish. Okay, it didn't. Never mind. Here, again, we close below. It constantly disrespects the first AM. This is not good price action. This is really shitty right now. It's really like ping pong right now. It's just accumulating. So we definitely have to watch out. On these days, you can lose a lot of money, right? So when you see something like that, like the first AM being disrespected 3 times in a row, this is the perfect sign of manipulation. You should, you know, sit on your hands until it shows you a real displacement in either direction. Okay, 1 minute is the next 5-minute close. And with that, the 10 a.m. macro will start. Five seconds and still nothing new. And pump my shit. Okay. 313. Vanish mode. Okay, let's close the orders here for now. Nothing bare. Check it that you wear. Damn, that's a crazy market. Ugh. 40 seconds till next 5 minute closes. Okay, we're going lower again. Current stop would be here. Or right there, not sure. Okay, I'll also take this one. This one. All right, let's see. 9 seconds. Let's see if we invert that. 4. Okay, we don't invert that. I need the inversion confirmation. If we drop immediately lower, I'm okay with not trading today. This is a sketchy market. That's the upper quadrant. Because if we come back up and we respect the 5 minute, then that's not good. And these are definitely not good conditions, so I don't really want to enter early here. That's not a good idea. Let's put this a bit further. Let's get rid of the 10 a.m. here. Okay, we closed below. That's a good sign. But again, the 5 minute, I need to see it close below the 5 minute, to be honest. And then we might put the stop here. That would be fine. If it fills me before we close below the 5 minute, I'm totally fine with this. This is not an optimal market in any type of way. And on top of that, we still have these draws down here, which we can still go into and look for shorts into, right? So it's not over with the first one here. Okay, 1 more minute till the 5 minute closes. If we close below, I'm more than willing to short. If you close inside, would not be a good sign. A 1 minute gap here. Dun, 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 dun. 30 seconds. Seconds. And I will also prefer a 1-to-1, to be honest, so I have to enter up there somewhere. Oh, okay, we close below. That's good. Let's see how it behaves here now. Okay, I'm gonna enter. I didn't see. Yeah, let's put the stop here. And let's take out one. At the CE here. Sail away. I don't want it to go up into the upper half of the 5 minute here. So let's see. Sail away, sail away, sail away, sail away. One second. Okay, I like that. I will cut a bit aggressive here. Sail away, sail away, sail away, sail away. And then sell 2 down here. No, buy 2. Come on, this is a really strong sell side down here. Let's just take that out. And we have extreme weakness set up as well. That's why I put the stop up here, because I wanted to see it leave immediately, not play around too long. Sail away, sail away. It's inside 10 a.m. macro. So we should really see this play out. But again, the conditions are not optimal, right? Not optimal. I need to see this get heavy here. Should really leave quickly. So that's 40. That's 30, 18 points. Be 150. take out one here and let one runner on. Let's see if we can get all the way down here maybe. Okay, first target out. That's good. Damn, bro, just take me out. Okay, one target out. That's good. I will go break even here now. Bro, these orders suck. Crazy. I will go break even. Let's see. If we can get heavier here, or if that's it. Come on. Nah, it's not looking good. Not looking too good. If we reach the low here, I will cut it further. But we're probably gonna kick that break even here. It was kind of a good trade, but you know, it's just not an optimal market. And I don't want to risk it just, you know, on such a low probability day. I don't want to risk too much. So going break even here is totally fine. Going out break even on the day, I'm totally fine with that because the conditions are not good today, right? So I don't want to lose any money on days like that. Boom, we're out. Okay. There we go. All right. This might still work out, but it's shitty condition. I really don't like it. Because if we have something like that, like an extreme weakness, close below, retest, we should really leave directly and not come back up like that, you know. That's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, so that's essentially break even for today. What did we do here? It's just a little one. Yeah, 50 bucks. All right. I wonder, should it really look longer? No, I don't think so. The conditions are bullshit. I don't like that. I don't want to lose any money here. So I'm still confident that this will work out, but I don't want to be part of it. You know, I just don't want to be part of it. We also have the opening range gap, and usually my rule is to stop at the CE. That's why I took an order out here. But I wanted it to, you know, to try because these draws are really fucking clean. But that's just awful. So yeah, I'm done for today. I'm gonna stop trading now. Price action is just telling me it's not the day to trade today, and we're gonna be fresh back on the charts on Monday next week. So I'll see you there, and enjoy your weekend. Take care.